Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only fascinating but also incredibly relevant in our world today: artificial intelligence in agriculture. Whether you're a farmer, a tech enthusiast, or just someone curious about how technology is shaping our food systems, you're in for a treat. So, let's roll up our sleeves and dig into how AI is revolutionizing the agricultural landscape. But you might be wondering, how exactly is AI being applied in agriculture? What changes are we seeing on the ground, and how is this technology benefiting farmers and consumers alike? Let's start with the basics. At its core, artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, allowing them to perform tasks that typically require human intellect, such as understanding language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. In agriculture, this technology is being harnessed to increase efficiency, productivity, and sustainability. One of the most exciting applications of AI in agriculture is precision farming. This technique utilizes data analytics, machine learning, and AI algorithms to optimize farming practices. For instance, farmers can use AI to analyze soil conditions, weather patterns, and crop health through sensors and drones. This data helps them make informed decisions about the right amount of water, fertilizer, and pesticides to use. Let's take a closer look at how one farmer, John, uses AI technology on his farm. By utilizing sensors that measure soil moisture and nutrients, John can access real-time data about his crops. He receives alerts on his smartphone when conditions are optimal for irrigation, ensuring that he's not wasting water. In fact, studies show that farmers using precision farming techniques can reduce water usage by up to 50%. That's not all. AI also plays a significant role in crop monitoring and disease detection. For example, machine learning models can analyze images taken from drones or satellites to identify signs of disease or pest infestations early on. This means that farmers can intervene before a small issue turns into a full-blown crisis, ultimately saving their crops and reducing losses. A great example of this is the use of AI-powered image recognition software. Companies like Blue River Technology have developed a see and spray technology which uses computer vision to differentiate between crops and weeds. This allows for targeted herbicide application, which not only saves costs but also minimizes the environmental impact. It's a win-win situation. Moreover, AI can enhance the entire supply chain in agriculture. With predictive analytics, farmers can forecast crop yields based on historical data and current growing conditions. This information is invaluable for planning purposes, helping farmers decide when to harvest and how much product to supply to markets. In fact, a report by McKinsey & Company estimates that AI technologies could increase crop yields by up to 10% globally. That's a massive leap towards food security as the global population continues to rise. Speaking of food security, let's discuss how AI contributes to sustainable farming practices. With climate change posing significant threats to agriculture, AI can help create more resilient farming systems. For example, AI can analyze climate data to suggest the best crop varieties to plant based on future weather patterns, helping farmers adapt to changing conditions. One project in Africa, called Climate Smart Agriculture, leveraged AI to provide farmers with tailored advice on which crops to plant and when to plant them. This initiative has improved food security for thousands of families, demonstrating the profound impact of AI in agriculture. To wrap things up, AI is not just a buzzword, it's a transformative force in agriculture, driving efficiency, sustainability, and food security. From precision farming to crop monitoring and supply chain improvements, the applications of AI in agriculture are vast and impactful. So, the next time you enjoy a meal, remember the incredible technology that helps bring that food to your table. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And feel free to leave a comment below sharing how you think AI could further change agriculture or any other topics you'd like us to explore. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.